Still manually reconciling payments or waiting days for transfers? It's time to upgrade. It's 2025, and modern businesses need efficient payment systems. Whether selling online, managing subscriptions, or paying vendors, your cash flow needs to be instant, secure, and integrated. That's where payment APIs come in. We'll cover what a payment API is, how it works, its benefits, and how Slash's API integrates payments, accounting, and expense management. An API, or application programming interface, is a digital bridge allowing two software pieces to communicate. Your app requests something, and the other system responds. Developers use APIs to get data, update info, or trigger actions. A good API is well documented, easy to integrate, and includes SDKs for seamless developer use. It's easy to confuse APIs with other payment tools, so let's clarify. An API is a set of rules and endpoints for tasks like creating a charge, issuing a refund, or exporting reports. A payment gateway securely transmits customer payment details from your site or app. A payment processor authorizes, routes, and settles funds between merchant accounts, card networks, and banks. Here's how it connects. Your app calls a gateway API, the gateway talks to the processor, and funds land in your bank. A payment API allows your business to accept payments, send payouts, and track transactions directly within your website or app without switching tabs. You can process credit cards, debit cards, digital wallets like Apple Pay, ACH transfers, and sometimes real-time or cross-border payments. The payment API standardizes how your app manages charges, recurring payments, refunds, analytics, and syncs with accounting tools like QuickBooks or Xero. Slash's payment API is designed for card-based transactions, ideal for ads, subscriptions, and programmatic spend. Built with VGS tokenization, Slash never stores card numbers. Tokens are decrypted only when needed. You can also connect to Plaid for bank linking and sync transactions directly to QuickBooks or Xero. This means automated payments, spend control, and reconciliation without expanding your PCI compliance scope. Why do businesses use payment APIs? They're faster and more automated. Payments process instantly and sync in real time, eliminating manual reconciliation delays. They reduce errors, lower costs, and keep card data off your servers through encryption and tokenization. Payment APIs integrate easily with your existing software, CRM, accounting tools, and analytics dashboards, all with one connection. Let's quickly look at how it works. A payment process through an API involves four main steps. First, the API call. Your app sends a payment request to the provider's API, including details like amount, currency, and payment method. Second, authentication. Secure API keys verify the request is valid and authorized, ensuring only trusted requests proceed. Third, processing. The provider validates inputs, checks for fraud, and routes the transaction through the correct network, like Visa or ACH. The processor communicates with the issuing bank and returns an authorization decision. Finally, confirmation. Your app receives a response indicating approval, decline, or pending status. Webhooks push updates, keeping your ledgers and accounting tools synced automatically. With Slash's API, you can approve or decline card spend in real time, lock transactions to specific merchants or countries, tag recurring payments, and push all data to QuickBooks or Xero automatically. When choosing a payment API, evaluate a few key things. First, ease of integration. Is it developer-friendly? Does it offer solid documentation, SDKs, and a sandbox for testing? Next, security. Look for encryption, tokenization, and compliance measures to minimize PCI scope. Then, check supported payment methods. Does it handle cards, ACH, and digital wallets? Are major networks like Visa, MasterCard, and Amex supported? Scalability is another factor. Consider throughput, rate limits, and reliability for high-volume transactions. Finally, pricing. Understand transaction, cross-border, and dispute fees, and compare them to the time saved through automation. Platforms like Slash combine a payment API with vertical banking, centralizing cards, analytics, and expense management. Now, let's look at some leading payment API providers. Slash gives developers programmatic control over card payments and accounts. You can create virtual cards, manage balances, and approve or decline transactions in real time. Secure tokenization via VGS keeps card data off your servers. Plaid enables instant bank linking, and QuickBooks/Xero integrations automate reconciliation. It's perfect for teams needing to accept payments, control spend, and track transactions in one place. Square is strong for omni-channel setups, offering in-person and online checkout, POS hardware, and unified transaction history. It's a great fit for retail, restaurants, and service businesses. Stripe is known for its developer-first design, global reach, and robust recurring billing tools. It's the go-to choice for SaaS companies and platforms needing flexibility and scale. Authorize.net is a reliable option for established merchants seeking predictability, with built-in virtual terminals and fraud protection. Now, let's highlight why Slash stands out. Slash's API is card-first, built for precise control over spend and payments. You can approve or decline in real time, lock transactions to specific merchants, and manage ad campaigns or vendor budgets. It's also secure by design, with full tokenization through VGS, ensuring no raw card numbers are ever stored. You can tag spend by vendor or department, sync data to QuickBooks and Xero instantly, and connect to banks through Plaid. There's no separate API fee. It's included with your Slash account, and you simply pay standard processing costs. In short, Slash's payment API gives you more control, cleaner data, and fewer tools to manage.